Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 8, Birbal and the cooking pot. In today's session, children, we will discuss the bits of this lesson. So, all of you open textbook page number 67. Bit A, write true or false for these sentences. So here few sentences are given. If the statement is true, write true on the blank. If the statement is false, write false here on the blank. So here the first question is, Birbal told Akbar that no ordinary man could survive the cold of the river. This is the sentence. Now whether it's true or false. In scene 1, Akbar and Birbal were discussing about the river water. So, Birbal said that yes, no ordinary man could survive the cold of the river. So, the answer is true. Write true here on the blank. So, write true. The washerman's wife encouraged him to spend the night in the river. Is the sentence true? No. When the washerman heard about the news, about the announcement of the reward, washerman said that I'll go and stand in the middle of the river. But his wife said that no, don't go and stand because you may die because of the cold. So here the sentence is false. Write false here on the blank. Next, third one. A courtier told Akbar that the river was not really cold. Is it true? No. Courtier said that the lights from the palace fallen into the river water which made the water warm. So the statement is false. Write false here on the blank. Now the last fourth one, children. Birbal convinced the emperor to give the washerman his reward. Yes, it's true. Birbal convinced the emperor to give the reward to washerman. So, this is about true or false. Now let's read the true or false, children. All of you read along with me. Birbal told Akbar that no ordinary man could survive the cold of the river. True. Second one, the washerman's wife encouraged him to spend the night in the river. False. Third one, a courtier told Akbar that the river was not really cold. False. And the last fourth one, Birbal convinced the emperor to give the washerman his reward. True. Next, bit B. Answer these questions and think and write. We'll note down in the class work. Now next, play with words. In play with words, some words such as heard, sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. So here few of the words, their pronunciation is same, the sound is same but their meaning and spelling is different. So here few words are given in the box. You have to choose the correct word and write here on the blank where the pronunciation is same but the spelling and meaning is different. So bit D, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. So here the words in the box are peace means it's calm, silence. Peace means a small bit. Next, pain, breaks, bakes. Okay. Now here the question is given. You have to choose the correct word from the box and write on the blank. First question, children. Please clean the window. Dash. Granny has dash in her knees. So please clean the window pane. Granny has pain in her knees. Second one, Glass dash very easily. If you supply the dash, the car will slow down. Glass breaks very easily. breaks, breaks easily. If you apply the brakes, 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 the car will slow down. Next, last one. Sahil had a large dash of cake. We all want dash in the world. So Sahil had a large piece of cake. We all want peace in the world. So PIECE, piece of cake. Next, we all want PEACE, peace in the world. Okay. Now here the blanks are. Please clean the window pane. Granny has pain in her knees. Second one, glass breaks very easily. If you apply the brakes, the car will slow down. And third one, Sahil had a large piece of cake. We all want peace in the world. Okay, that is about bit D. Now next, bit E. Match the names of the people with the work they do. So here the name of the people is given and their profession, their work is given. You have to match them. So here in the column A, names of the people, column B, the work they do is given. Now let's read it, children. First one, a washerman. Second one, a waiter. Third, a nurse. Fourth one, a poet. Fifth, a farmer. Sixth, an artist. Here, option A, writes poems. B, grows crops. C, serves food in a restaurant. D, draws and paints pictures. E, takes care of the sick. F, washes clothes. So here, what do a washerman do? A washerman washes clothes. So first we'll draw the brackets, then we will write the answers in the bracket. So here, a washerman washes clothes. So it's option F. Second one, a waiter. What do a waiter do? A waiter serves food in a restaurant. So the answer is option C. Third one, a nurse. A nurse takes care of the sick. So the answer is option E, takes care of the sick. Next, fourth one, a poet writes poems. A poet writes poems. So it's option A, writes poems. Next, fifth one, a farmer grows crops. A farmer grows crops. Right, option B here. And the last one is an artist draws and paints pictures. So it's option D, draws and paints pictures. Okay, now let's read them as the following, children. A washerman washes clothes. A waiter serves food in a restaurant. A nurse takes care of the sick. A poet writes poems. A farmer grows crops. An artist draws and paints pictures. Okay, children, that is about today's class. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's homework, learn and write lesson 8, bit A, D, E in your textbook. Okay, children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.